Welcome back, children, to Geography with Juliana, and today we are discussing the question answers of Chapter 6, Population. First and foremost, let me thank each one of you for subscribing to my channel without even asking, for learning along with me, and for liking and sharing my videos. It is rightly said that gratitude is the best attitude. So I would like to thank each one of you, dear children, for liking my videos and for subscribing. God bless you. The first question we have in Chapter 6 is right or wrong. The first question is, literacy rate is higher in Brazil. Yes, definitely, than in India. In Brazil, people prefer living in the southeast as compared to northeast. Yes, that too is right. The life expectancy of Indians is decreasing. Wrong. Our life expectancy is increasing. The northwestern part of India is densely populated. Wrong. There we have Rajasthan, where the density is low. The western part of Brazil is densely populated. Wrong. There's hardly any water bodies that side. There is Pantanal wetland, marshy land, so no population there. Not much population at least. Answer the questions as per the instructions. So you need to read the instructions carefully. Arrange the following states of India in descending order of their population. So highest to lowest. For this you need to refer to the map. So I'm sure it will not come as a memory based question. Okay, but definitely it can be asked along with the map. So you need to refer page 38, 6.1b, the density of India. I've already done it for you here. Uttar Pradesh has, you can refer to the map, has more than 500 people per square kilometer. Andhra Pradesh comes under 251 to 500 people. Madhya Pradesh comes under 101 to 250 people. And Himachal Pradesh is the least with less than 100 people per square kilometer. For Brazil, arrange the following states in Brazil in the ascending order. So you have to start from lowest to the highest. Looking at the figure 6.2b, population density of Brazil, I have come to these answers. Amazonas has less than 50 persons per square kilometer. Parana has 51 to 100. Alagoas has 101 to 150. And Sao Paulo has 151 to 300. And here de Janeiro has more than 300 people per square kilometer. Classify the factors affecting the distribution of population as favorable and unfavorable. You can definitely do this on your own. Which of these is favorable? What type of factors would you like when you buy a place? Okay, so I have done it for you. You can check your answers here. Nearness to sea is favorable. People prefer living in the coastal areas. Temperate climate, cool climate of temperate regions, new cities and towns. We love to go to new places, new cities, new towns. Minerals are available and where cultivable land is available. Unfavorable factors are lack of roads, lack of industries, tropical moist forests, and semi-arid or dry climate. Answer the following questions. First one is, explain the similarities and differences between the population distribution in Brazil and in India. So similarities are both India and Brazil have lower population in the northwest. In India it is Rajasthan, and in Brazil it is Amazonas. Both have less population in the north. For example, in India, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, and in Brazil it's Amapá. Both have higher population densities in the coastal regions. Differences that we find is density in India is 382 persons per square kilometer, while it is only 23 persons per square kilometer in Brazil. In India, the largest Ganga river basin is densely populated, while in Brazil, the largest Amazon river is sparsely populated. In India, the northern plains have high density of population, while in Brazil, the southeastern coastal region has high density of population. Second question is giving examples correlate climate and population distribution. So what is the relation between climate and distribution of population? Everybody wants favorable climate, right? So climate plays an important role in the distribution of population. It is generally observed that the places with favorable climate has high density of population. Example, the northern plains in India and eastern coastal plain of Brazil. Places with harsh climate has low density of population like Rajasthan in India, Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Regions with low rainfall like drought quadrilateral in Brazil has low population density. And regions with good amount of rainfall like Sao Paulo has high population density. Give geographical reasons. The first one, population is an important resource. Population is an important part of an economy. The economic and social progress of a nation depends upon the quality of its population. A large population is needed for various developmental works, but there should not be population explosion. That is, too much of population in a short time can be dangerous. If population is educated, skilled, young, and optimum population is available in a region, it can surely become a valuable resource. Brazil's population density is very less. Brazil ranks 5th in the world. We know the area of Brazil is huge, but population is less, right? So Brazil ranks 5th in the world with respect to area and as well as population. It occupies 5.6% of world area, but only 2.78% of world's population. The density of population is around 28 persons per square kilometer. The northern part of Brazil is covered by dense Amazon forests, and western part that of Pantanal has the western part has Pantanal wetlands. So compared to the size of Brazil, population is sparse, and hence Brazil's population density is very less. India's population density is very high. India's population is around 121 crore according to 2011 census. It is second most populated country in the world. India occupies only 2.41% of world's area but supports 17.5% of world population. The physiography, favorable climate and availability of water plays a very important role in high density of population in India. Availability has helped availability of water. Kindly note here, availability of water or rivers has helped ancient civilizations flourish in India. Besides illiteracy, poverty, early marriages, there's another mistake here. Okay, this should be biasness, is it? Okay, just a minute. Yeah, biasness, correct, for a male child have all contributed to high density of population in India. Only what change you have to make here? Availability of water. Availability of water has helped in ancient civilizations. Next give reason is the density of population is sparse in Amazon river basin. Now, Amazon basin is sparsely populated due to following reasons. It lies in equatorial regions and receives rainfall almost every day. So, there are thick, dense forests which are highly inaccessible. The trees here grow very tall to compete for sunlight. The sunlight hardly reach here. Again, there is a mistake here. The trees here grow tall to compete for sunlight. So, here you'll have to put sunlight hardly reaches the ground, so the area is marshy. There are a variety of insects and reptiles found here which cause various diseases. Climate is hot and humid, so is unfavorable for human habitation. Hence, the density of population is sparse in Amazon basin. So I stop here and I'll continue the remaining part in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Thank you.